In this video, I want to show you how to customize the buttons of your Logitech M720. And you can do it with a PC or a Mac computer. Over here, I have a Mac computer, but it's the same exact steps I will show you if you have a Windows machine. So let's get started. Go on Google, and no matter if you're on a Mac or on a PC, it works the same exact way. Just follow these steps. You're gonna type over here Logi Option Plus. This is the software we need to get, and one of the first websites to be presented to you will be from the official Logitech website. Click on it and then select over here download, and usually it recognizes which computer you have. This is a Mac, so this is why it says Mac OS 13, but if you're on Windows it will simply say Windows whatever. So click there and download, then open the file you just downloaded. Once you see this display, simply click Install Option Plus. Then we need the app to access Bluetooth, so I'll press OK. Open Accessibility, and now simply allow by checking this small toggle over here and enter your password of your computer. If you're on a PC, you may not have to do this step. And then you should see over here accessibility permission successfully granted. Here you can select no thanks if you don't want to share your personal information, personal usage data with Logitech so they improve their product, or you can accept, it's up to you. And here you can click on skip on the top right corner, and you should see your mouse right over there. You see exactly the same model. You have to click on it, click skip. And here are all the buttons that you can customize on it. There's many of them. If you want to customize one, well, it's as simple as it is. Okay, simply click on the one you want to change. Let's say this one. And on the right side, you can go through many different actions and many different things this button can do. So select another option. Now, the good thing about this software is that you can customize your mouse so that it acts differently depending on which app you're using. For example, if you go on the top right corner and you click on Add Application, you can choose a specific application where the mouse will behave differently on it. So, for example, let me get over here Google Chrome, all right? I'll select Google Chrome, press Confirm, Continue, and now if you take a look over here, Google Chrome is highlighted. So whatever I change now, whatever customizable button I change will only be available in Google Chrome. So let's say this button, I click on it, I can say that, I don't know, I want open ChatGPT. Well, I'll click here, yes, enable. So this button only in Google Chrome will open ChatGPT. If I click these four dots, these are global settings, which means that these will work in all applications. But when I'm in Chrome, well, the buttons will change. And you can add many different apps and customize this the way you want. If you click the left side arrow over here, you also have more settings that you can change. Okay, and just so you know, in case you're having issues with your mouse and you want to factory reset it, well, you need to go into the settings, go down and select restore to default settings, and this will restore everything, and it will also delete all your customized buttons if you want to start fresh again. So this is about it. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.